Hey, what's going on, guys? Manny VQ back here with another video. Just using a different camera this time. We'll be using the actual DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'm really excited to see how this footage is going to come out. It looks absolutely stable as hell, as I see on the camera here. What an absolutely beautiful camera. Get you guys a cold start and a little bit of some driving action. Let's see how it goes. Start up. Not bad. Looks pretty good up here on the suction mount. Let's get some audio clips. I can't rip on it yet. Car's still cold. I'm just excited to see the DJI footage. I can't wait to see it. Anyways, I'm gonna post it no matter what it looks like, so don't really care. And hope you guys enjoy the build and the sounds the car makes. I'm hungry, man. Let's get some breakfast from McDonald's. Okay, we clutched it, guys. We made it to the breakfast. Gonna be a pretty quick video. G's been made it through 2025 almost, and the season already has like about 2-3 more weeks left. And I have hosted a meet on this weekend on Sunday, and I'll bring you guys a video on the DJI again. and get you some clips of some cool cars that will hopefully show up. And there's another meet and maybe Import Expo, and that's about it. And that's gonna be the next couple of videos that I have, and then it'll be winter, and yeah, that's it. I'm probably gonna record as much as I can, even random stuff like this, because there's only over here there's the off season, and it's it kind of sucks with YouTube how it's like not consistent. So I can do so much, right? And I'll do whatever I can. Into social media, content creation, and stuff like that. Just keep true to yourself, keep real, and never forget why you started. Make sure that this is like, internet is not the main reason why you built your car. Thank you, thank you. Anyways, that's enough of that. Enjoy the car. The car's a little bit warmed up. Most importantly, watch your temps. Make sure the car is warmed up of at least a 170 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it warm up and then do the pulls. If you do pulls like when it's really cold, it's not a good thing long-term wise. That's just common sense. But people that tend to forget that. So just make sure your oil temps are good, coolant, pressure. Make sure you do your oil changes early. Don't wait like still a recommended amount of time, like let's say 5,000 miles, right? When you're boosted and you're doing a lot of pulls back to back, just change the goddamn oil. Just change it. Just change it. Be like, I did beat on the car a little bit. It's been like 2 months. Let's just drain the oil. Or like it's been over, like it depends on the driving habits, right? If you're beating the hell out of it in 1 month, you might as well just change the oil, because that oil has broken down, injectors are bigger, stuff like that, fuel dilution. And I promise you, if you do those simple things, the car is gonna give back to you. So just keep those, like, oil changes are so important. Make sure the bearings are all lubricated. Make sure you're not running low on oil. Check the dipstick. When you're boosted, you'll be pushing a little bit of oil into the catch can. It depends, right? The rings will probably wear out. Stuff like this is a stock motor. You're turboing it. It's just like something you have to understand, that this isn't going to be forever. There's a cost to performance, always. And people just think that you can just drive the car like all day like that for like 10 years. Hell no, it's gonna obviously wear out the parts inside the engine.